Hello! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to start the workout on this smartband. First we need to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the workout icon. Once you find it, tap on it. And here we have the list of workouts, and you can scroll through it, find the workout you want to start. For example, I don't know, let's select dance. And once you select the type of workout, here you can tap on the three dots to open the menu, and we can set the workout goal and workout alerts. If you tap on workout goal, you can select the time and burned calories. So for example, you want to go for like 15 minutes, tap on time and set it to 15 minutes or 20, whatever you like. I'm gonna set it to 15. So I'm gonna select 15 and then change it to 0. Oh no, it's 15 hours, my bad. So this is hours. So I'm gonna select 0 and then 15 here. Okay, we have 15 minutes. And then we can also set the calories goal. So we can tap on calories and select the amount of calories we want to burn during the workout. And you can select only one. You can select both of them. Okay, that's weird. But let's say you want to track the continue your workout until you burn certain amount of calories, or the time, depending on what you like, and then tap on the check mark. Then we can tap on workout alerts, and here we can select the alert for the heart rate or heart rate zone. So we can tap on the high heart rate option, high heart rate alert, Jesus. And if you tap on it, you can enable it by tapping on the switch. And once you enable it, you can set the threshold for the alert. So select the one you like and then tap on the check mark. And then you can tap on a heart rate zone, and here you can select the zone, and you can tap on heart rate zone, and you have warm up, intensive, and aerobic and anaerobic. You can select one of those. So select the one you like and then tap on the check mark. Okay, and once you're done customizing your workout, you can start it by pressing on the go button. And after the countdown, the workout will start, and it will start tracking your progression. During the workout, you can also swipe right on the screen to open this menu, and here we can pause the workout, resume it, we can stop it, but to stop it you need to press and hold on the button for 3 seconds. You can also enable the option to auto lock the screen when it turns off. So if it turns off, you will need to, I believe, press and hold on the screen to unlock it. Okay. Before we stop the workout, I'm gonna show you another thing. So during the workout, you can swipe left on the screen, and it will open the music controls menu. So once your smartband is connected to your phone, you can play music on your phone, and you can control that music with your smartband if you want to. So basically, if you're playing music on the phone, you can control the music right here in this menu. Okay, and to stop the workout, press and hold on the stop button for 3 seconds. Like this. And then it will display the statistics for your workout. You can read them, and you can delete the workout if you want, or just go back and save it in the history. And if you want to check the history of workouts, you can go back to the menu, scroll down, and we have the workout history menu, and here you can check your workouts if you want to. Okay, and that's how you start the workout on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.